Hello and welcome to another video on the board game series. This video is on how to add a player to be an image from Google about the topic for your game. So in this game we have a ball, that's our player, not the most exciting thing. So let's get an image and use it for our project. Not all images are as easy to edit and put into this project as maybe this example. I'm going to use this blue dolphin to go with the project for Island of the Blue Dolphins. I'm going to save it by right-clicking and choosing Save Image As. It's a JPEG file. We're good to go. Blue Dolphin. I'm going to go ahead and just name it Blue Dolphin. Now what I can do inside of Scratch is on costumes for my player, I'm going to come down to choose a costume and upload the costume. In your Pictures or Downloads folder, or maybe even in the Recent tab, you'll see your image that you downloaded, whatever it might be. I'm going to open this file, Blue Dolphin, and here it is. Now, a lot of images that you are going to download that go for Island of the Blue Dolphins need to be fixed so you don't have all this extra clutter. There's lots of ways to do this. I have a white background, and using my paint bucket, I'm going to fill in the background but use this, empty, this strike through. And what it'll do is it'll select all of the same color in the image. So I've deleted all of the white. Now I can click on the black and fill it or empty it out, but it doesn't quite get of everything. So a little bit faster for this part is the text box, or the select box. Click and drag a box around it. See, I got part of the tail. I should do it again. Click and drag. Now I can click delete, push backspace. Now I have the dolphin. The dolphin's too big though, so I can change the size down to be something better. 25, about 15. You want to make sure all parts of the sprite fit inside of the tile. Otherwise, you'll have some serious bugs later on. Make sure it fits inside the tile. Now, just as before, when I click the green flag and I roll the dice, my dolphin moves ahead, and we're looking pretty good. If I answer the question correct, I move up to the next space. So you can do this with other images, and I encourage you to do a little bit of research on a variety of pictures and find one that works the best for you. So I can see on the cover of this book, if I save this image, and on costumes for my player, upload another costume, I could tinker around with this, and now I have the book. That might even work pretty good for a player sprite. So really, go about it the best that you can to make a cool player character that works for you. If you wanted to work on getting this player as the young girl there, you can use the select tool and slowly delete different parts of the image. Maybe you want the player to be the fox that joins her. Use the paint bucket when you can. You can even use the erase tool, right? And if you make a mistake, hit the back arrow and go back a step. I'll just kind of go a little quickly here. Go ahead and pause the video if you need. So if I had more time, I would clean it up and make it as nice as I possibly can. But for now, we have our player character. Make sure that the player is centered on the sprite. That will cause a lot of issues later too. That looks pretty good. Click Save Now. Roll my dice, and she moves up. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Good luck.